Kani kadege Bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka Kali Datsun Ready Go Batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Menteri Rang Bak Jela Konrad Ki Sangma ha ka arpui tri urisa arajar arpho. Ula shimi karai ban khot ikran ki kinhun paper lakalong na jela ni na bar ka jela. Halor ke isu ha ichamati kanang ban ra biang ya ka syongsuk syongsan ha ka jela. Ha bakren sikila pathai kubor Menteri Rang Bak Jela ula ong bayak ni ka kam on sa Shimrai hadin balakut kale niam puja.
These are issues that, of course, a few months back it was a very major issue. But I think there is no such complication right now. There is no issue as such. And I think whatever the confusion that is arisen because of this comments being made by different groups, including groups from our state or groups from outside, I think can be resolved. So we are in the process of communicating and talking to everybody, including, in fact, along with Government of India also. So therefore, we are on the job and we are trying to ensure that all these unnecessary comments that are coming out by different groups, this can be resolved at the earliest. I don't personally feel there are any major issues that are there. And I think by communicating and talking to everybody, all the groups, we should be able to normalize the situation. I think these are again matters, we are looking into those issues. But as I said, whatever the case may be, we as a government will ensure that proper communication and steps are taken so that these issues are resolved at the earliest.